Show me, Rice. I want some more.
You want some more?
I like that. I'll eat some. Oh my goodness.
There goes the sun. It just disappeared. It's an angel wing.
What is it?
Oh, it's broken though.
What is it?
It's one of those angel wing shells. Someone worked really hard on that. That's really nice.
Let's see.
Finding trash everywhere.
Trash. Pick it up.
You see trash? Pick it up. You're right.
And so the sea turtle won't choke on it.
So the sea turtles won't choke on it?
What?
Just rolled up, you want it?
Oh, wow. Look at that cool
You
cell.
can hear the ocean when you get home.
You want it? She's giving it to you. You want to take it? What do you say to her?
Thank you.
You welcome.
Thank you. That was very nice. You found another shell like that. So she gave you another one. Look at that. That was nice.
We can take it home.
Yeah, we'll take it home. Oh, 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 oh. You got him. Good job.
He pinched me.
He pinched you.
It didn't hurt.
It didn't hurt, yeah.
He
Hey, little crab.
He liked to play with me.
He likes to play with you. Good job catching your crab,
Bye,
buddy.
Tab.
Wanna let him go?
So,
Here you go, crab. Have a nice night. Find some good food to eat. Did you have fun at the beach today, Cam?
yes, I did.
What was your favorite part?
Tab. Finding those crabs.
Finding those crabs. That was fun. Brisket from farmers at True Cut Ranch. That thing is beautiful. Eat on that for a couple days. Let the brisket cook on low for, I don't know, about 8 hours or so. We'll check back on it later. Are you excited about today? What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna run around on the beach today.
Yeah, run around on the beach. What do you got for your breakfast?
Seashell.
Oh, you okay? You got knocked down. Oh, the water's coming.
What's coming?
Water's almost to the dunes. We don't really have anywhere to retreat.
made a Bigfoot trap.
That's impressive, buddy. I'm very impressed by that.
Maybe we'll catch a Bigfoot tonight.
Just scare all the crabs into their hole.
Ooh, look how fast they go.
They're so fast.
Oh, this one's left behind. Oh,
Get in.
I got him. Get your bucket, Kim. Get your bucket. Oh, I got him.
He's got one really big.
It's time to run down.
Fiddler. Goodbye, Mr. Crab. Don't get pinched by him. That might hurt.
He's got a crazy big pinch.
There's just schools of fish over here in the water. I don't know what kind. That would be incredible. Oh man, look how beautiful.
I think it's on this line.
Yeah, he does, doesn't he? Whoa!
Sorry, dude.
Want to touch him again?
You want to touch him? See how tough his skin feels.
Man,
Okay, let me take a picture.
that's really cool, huh?
Yep. Yeah, we'll take a picture. Bad bones one.
Well, congratulations, man. That's the biggest shark I've seen caught on it.
I ain't never.
You know, we could just make a YouTube channel about Stormy. Stormy's life.
And not our life.
He said, and not our life.
I'm following you. Jelly washed up. Good morning. Well, first fish off the surf. Not really sure what he is. It's a pretty little guy though. Gonna let him go. There you go, buddy. Cam, I'm super impressed. Did you build all this by yourself?
Yeah, I just got here. What a dream.
That is impressive, buddy.
Stormy, no! Stormy just knocked over one of your sand
Come on, Storm.
We weren't talking about that. A pro came over here and just stomped on one. We had to rebuild it. And now Stormy. Yeah.
You're gonna be a hard worker one day, huh? Be a hard worker like your mama.
Take a picture of us. Ready?
Buddy, you ate all your salmon? You want more?
Yes.
I thought you'd go for the...
You can't get me. Oh! Oh, I'm scared of coyotes. Get away. Get away. I'm scared of coyotes. Ah! The coyote's gonna get me. Ah! Now, you did that? Let's go tell him.
What line?
My son made this. Didn't he do a good job?
You did such a good job. They loved it.
We want to take a picture. No way he made this.
Yeah, he made that.
You did an awesome job.
Good job. Nobody would this.
You say thank you?
How do you tell her?
It's a little cloudy and windy today. I don't know if we're gonna see the sun too much. What'd you get? You got the shovel and the front loader?
We did it. Take that, team. Take that, team. Team, make the sandcastle. There we go. Let's pour another one. Oh my goodness.
We used all the seashells, now we gotta go get more. I would like an ice cream, sir, without dyes, please.
All of them have died.
All of them have dyes?
Can I eat it?
Funky sandcastle.
Why?
Because it looks funky. I like your shell design over here.